Hi guys, it's Ruthie, plant obsessed lady loving to share my passion for plants and inspiring you to be creative with your plants and gardens. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. You know you rock. Today I'm super excited because I got some plant mail from my bestie from the Westie, Erin. She put a super special cutting in here from her trip to Hawaii and I'm so excited to share that with you. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm super excited to open this. Erin, I got it in. I'm so excited. I know one of the things that are in here is this super special cutting. She knows I've been looking for it. Heck, a whole lot of people have been looking for it. And she was kind enough to get it for me while she was in Hawaii on a trip, and that's so awesome. Like, you freaking rock. So let's get this open. And she really packaged it really well. So I'm so excited. I love plant mail, and I have a couple things that I'm getting ready to ship her as well. I just needed to get another item in before I ship everything. And it's super cool, you know, to have a plant buddy that you can swap things with, and you know, send things that you know that they can't find in their area, and vice versa. So I highly recommend if you're able to find someone to swap with, definitely do it. Alright, so I'm so happy. Alright, so let's see what we got in here so far. Oh, wow, let's see what's in here. Ooh, very nice. Her succulents are so like healthy. It's crazy. I don't know the name of it. Some kind of a sedum, I want to say, but it's super plump, juicy, and healthy. Or a crassula, I don't know. I'll have to ask her, but it's super healthy and beautiful. And this is like a fistful. Like, this is a huge cutting, Erin. I love it. Put this here. Oh, you can't see it in the frame there. I'm terrible at positioning my camera. Wow, you sent me quite a few things. I have to get my little items ready for you. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is huge. It's so pretty. It's like the size of my hand. Oh, she put a little tiny tag in here. Look at that. This is the Echeveria Moonglow. Oh, I wonder if she has a little tag on. That's so cool. Look at that. There's a little tag on there, like a jewelry. Wait, I have it on this one too. Maybe I just missed it. I don't see it on there. Well, this one's so pretty. I love the color, and it's all calloused off, so I can put it in the soil, get it going, rooting. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about this one when I get to it. So excited about it. What in the world? She knows I love this one. This is so cool. An Echeveria Red Ruffles. And she calls it, because Lauren Eubanks calls it the Balsaki plant. And it is huge. I love it. I love it. And I love these ruffle plants. So cool. I love the way you tagged them, by the way, Erin. It's super cool. I like that. So beautiful. Maybe I should adjust this camera a little. See if I'm able to. Let's see if that's better. Somewhat better. Not perfect, but better. I love getting these packages. And I know she does too. She gets so excited. It's so pretty. So pretty. I love these little tags. Look at this guy. So pretty. I love it. This is an Echeveria Texensis. Oh, I don't have this one. I love it, and I don't think if it's gonna show up in the camera, but it has like pink edges. It's really a nice color. Really nice. I'll have to take a picture, you know, close-up picture of them afterwards. Oh my goodness. Let's see if I can. Like my cheeks are hurting from smiling. Oh my goodness. I love this. So pretty. And this is an Echeveria First Lady. Oh, I like that. I do not have this one. I love the pink ruffles. I don't know if you can see that or not. I have a ruffle one, but I don't think it's named. I don't think it's this one. But either way, it's huge. I mean, look at my big head in this. So pretty. Oh, so cute. This is the Echeveria Mensa. So nice. I'm gonna have to make an Erin pot with these. Another Erin pot. Well, I don't know if I'll need a big pot for these big boys. See? Oh my god, I'm so excited. Alright, I feel like I need like a drum roll or something for this. Hold on, not quite yet. Not yet, not yet. What is this? Oh, nice. Very nice cutting. This is a variegated gold tooth aloe. Oh, nice. Very nice. Big boy. Very nice. Oh my goodness, you spoil me. You spoil me, Erin. Now, if you guys, I just want to make sure I'm not. After I squish it, I want to make sure I didn't leave anything there. If you guys recall, I sent her the Korean succulents from the 2 orders that I received, and she really loved them. So this is like from Hawaii. She got it while she was on her vacation. She actually found someone that gave it to her for a cutting from their collection. Oh my god, guys, like I can't even believe it. She did tell me that it was a little bit roughed up because she took it on the plane with her, and she just wasn't sure how to keep it while she had it at home, and she was so afraid that she was gonna kill it. She's like, oh my god, I don't want to kill it. I'm like, oh my god, I don't want to kill it. But if you don't know already, this is a variegated Monstera Deliciosa. And Erin, I'm so, like, you don't even understand how happy I am that you got this for me. Like, you had no reason to go, you know, go above and beyond to find it, and you were so excited to find it, like if it was, you know, something on your wish list. So I really, really, really from the bottom of my heart appreciate it, and I absolutely love it. I hope I can keep it safe. I'm so scared. Like, she shipped it so like beautifully in this pot. Like, I didn't even know how to tell her how to keep it until she shipped it. So if you guys have any suggestions, if I should keep it in soil or propagate it in water, I honestly, oh, this is so cool. This is that that press and seal plastic wrap. So if you guys have any suggestions on how I should keep it, let me get a scissor too. What do I do with my scissor? I'm so happy. This is crazy. Thank you so much, Erin. Like, I have to make a special box for you of stuff. Like, I feel like I don't even have enough things to give you. This is crazy. So I have to ask her what, I mean, she showed me what it looked like when she got it. I don't know if it had rooted yet or not. So I almost want to put it in water. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Even with the like the burned leaves, I think it's so beautiful. Because I feel like if I put it in the water to propagate, this is going to get a root. It's going to root from here as well. So, I mean, tell me what you guys think. What would you do? But I'm like very tempted to put it either deeper in the soil so that this is covered, or in water to propagate. So I'm hoping to post this today so I can get some good suggestions from you guys. Erin, I'm so happy. Like, you don't even understand. Like, I hope I can keep it safe and propagate it, because, you know, she said once you get it propagated a little to send her some. So I hope I can get it to that point, because I'm going to be so sad if I don't. But you shipped everything so beautifully. I just want to make sure I'm not missing anything, because I'm going to reuse this for your box, by the way. I'm so excited about this. It's so beautiful. And that it came from Hawaii is like, it has its own story. I love that, you know? It's super beautiful. I hope I can keep it safe. I'm so scared. Okay guys, so I took the plant out of the soil just to see what the roots are looking like, and to see if I should propagate in soil or in water. But I just want your recommendations, or what you think, because I'm thinking the root here is kind of mushy on the bottom, but it gets hard over here. I'm thinking that I should cut this root portion out and like around here, see if there's green stem, and then either water propagate or put that in soil. It has these nodes and this root here, so I'll definitely cut below that. But I'm afraid that this may be rotted and can go further up, and I don't want to risk that. And I can put this portion in soil just in case it's still viable, but I have an impression that it's not, and I wanted your recommendations, or what you thought, because I think this plant is beautiful and has such potential that you have to look beyond the brown leaves, because variegated leaves, especially white, they brown very easily. But the stem looks super strong. These shoots look, sorry, my nose is itching, look super strong. My only other concern was that this root here, portions of it are sheathed and others are not. they have a sheath and some are not. So I don't know how viable this is. So I'm wondering if I should cut this as well above to that portion. Or if this is still, you know, viable. So your recommendations, comments, suggestions are super appreciated, and if you can do that as soon as possible, I totally would appreciate it, because I want to be able to do something for this tonight. So I'm going to try and post this super quick. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Erin, thank you so much. Super big hugs. Your package is on your way soon. I'm trying to get everything together. But thank you so much, guys. Bye. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when I post something new. Till next time, let's make this world a more beautiful place, one succulent plant and cacti at a time. Bye. So beautiful. Trying to get it to focus. Try not to get my hands totally in the frame. See here, you can see the pinks on them. Just want to see the color. So beautiful. Oh my goodness. See here, I'm hoping you can see the color like I do. Look, it's not focusing though. I hope it's not that the lens is dirty, because I feel like it's not. Look at this big boy. Beautiful. Beautiful. Get the pink edges. Thank you so much, Erin. I feel like it's my birthday. Look at this beauty. Super excited about this.